Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Grammarly to Slack. First, visit Grammarly.com. Open your browser and go to www.grammarly.com. Sign in to your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, click I have an account or use the login button. Enter your email address and check for typos. Click continue to log in. Log in to Slack. Open a new tab and go to slack.com. Log in to your Slack workspace. Automatic integration. Once you're logged in, both Grammarly and Slack, Grammarly will automatically begin working within Slack. No manual installation or extensions required. Look for the Grammarly icon. Open a chat or message box in Slack. You should see the Grammarly icon in the text box or toolbar area. This confirms Grammarly is active and checking your writing. Start typing. Grammarly will provide a real-time grammar and style suggestions as you type messages in Slack. This helps you maintain clarity, correctness, and professionalism. And that's it. That's how to connect Grammarly to Slack. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.